Well, hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to Crafting at the Lake House. These are the projects I created for the attendees at my in-person event, and I'm sharing them with you here on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the Pine Tree Trimmings bundle. So this is a fun fold. It's unique. If you stay to the end, I will give you measurements, accurate measurements to make that foldy piece. But hang out with me here while I do all the stamping. So this is shaded spruce. And I inked up my shaded spruce, or my stamp with the shaded spruce, and I stamped the 3 trees that are in the pine tree trimming stamp set, and then I die cut them out. So one of the nice things about the pine tree trimmings bundle is it's not very expensive because there's not a whole lot of dies. There's a few bits and bobs, but mainly you have this die to cut out the tree. And I mean, I suppose you could fussy cut it. I always make that mistake whenever I buy something, a stamp set. Oh, I can fussy cut that out. I don't need to buy the dies. I'll be a little frugal here or there. But you know what? The dies, the bundles are 10% off. Just buy the bundle. It saves a lot of time and effort. Anyway, you do you. And sometimes I'm stubborn too. So there you go. All right, so we have a 1/4 panel of shaded spruce here that is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Then I have, I think it's balmy blue, and that is a 4 by 5 inches. And then I have that white piece, and if you stick to the end, I'll give you the exact measurements. Here I am coloring the open stars with the, what is it? Darling Duckling Dark Blends marker. I suppose you didn't have to do this, but I did. So I thought it brought just a little bit to the card. That might be pool party. Sorry, tangent. Oh, shiny red ball. Goodness me, what's going on this channel? It's all over the place. Anyway, I have that written down in the PDF. I just don't seem to be noticing that size of cardstock. Anyway, it is 4 by 5 1/2. And here is the shaded spruce, and I am using the sentiment that says, "Oh, Christmas tree," because there's Christmas trees on this card. I was thinking about 'tis the season, but "Oh, Christmas trees" seemed right. So don't do the way I did it and adhered all the trees first. What you want to do is you want to put the white foldy piece on your 1/4 panel card here. Don't do the way I did because it's just backwards. Honestly, it's backwards. I put the 3rd tree on and I have to move it some, and I still didn't get it right in my head. Like, honestly, so just put the white piece on the cardstock. Anyway, you're going to see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video see more section on YouTube or in this supply section of my blog posts. And those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store where I would love to meet you and earn your business. And if you wanted to join my team, I would love for you to join my team. There's a joining offer right now in Canada. You only have you spend $48 and you get $165 worth of crafty supplies. So it'll set you up for Christmas, and you can join my team, which is super fun, and I love my team very much. So anyway, here we are. Look, I did it all right. Eventually it came out okay. Like, the end result is what matters, not the order in which you do it. All right, so here is the fun fold. You can write your sentiment there, flippy flap, and there you go. It's a fun fold 1/4 panel. It's fun. I like it. Okay, so Here is a piece of cardstock, 5 by 11 inches, and we've scored it at 9.3 and 18.6 centimeters. I know the Americans are going to get upset. You have centimeters on your trimmer, so just go by this because it's more accurate, you guys. And then you just cut diagonally an inch up on the left and an inch down on the right, and this will make 2 of these foldy cards, and you just fold them the way you need to. All right. Thank you so much for spending time with me today and all the comments you leave, for the thumbs up and all the YouTube-y things. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it, as it really helps my small channel grow. Thanks again for watching, and bye for now.